And usually it starts by looking in the mirror. Like if there's something in your business that you don't like, go look in the mirror.
All right, so let's talk business awareness. So we're here at this event, and it's for primarily house cleaning, home cleaning, residential, commercial. We just got done leaving Lighted Up Expo. We've been to several roofing industry events lately, and the common pattern I'm noticing is like the owner-operator, sub 7 figures, stuck. And like you say, the purgatory of like letting go
baby.
And handing off roles and responsibilities and hiring people. And it just was a realization of like, it doesn't matter what industry you're in. It's always going to be that same struggle for a business owner to get past that. So what are you guys seeing? Like I did a post today asking like, what was the moment in your life, in your business success to say, it's time to let go. I'm the bottleneck. I'm holding this business back from success. Like what is the key defining moment that you found you were able to overcome that obstacle or challenge?
I'm in one right now, and I'm like working on the things to be able to let go. And Angela and I have spent hours talking about this already just this week. But I'm in Purgatory number 3, and we have to do it at Purgatory number 1 and number 2. When I restarted Best Damn Bookkeeping, I just like skipped them by getting the right people really early on. And like it was kind of a cheat code because I've already built one bookkeeping business, but like got the right GM right away. Got Unique Genius to like speed up our recruiting on the bookkeepers, got Hirely Chill to speed up our recruiting on account managers. So I was able to like really quickly get through those first few stages where if you know who you're going to use and what processes you need, you just go get them, right? And you build them right away so you don't get stuck where you're the bottleneck. But now I'm stuck where I'm the bottleneck from a leadership perspective and like decision-making perspective. We had to fire somebody earlier this week and everybody was like waiting for me to do it. So I'm the bottleneck, right? I need to get out of the way. I need to enable my team to fire the people that need to be fired and recruit the people that need to be recruited. So I'm going through that same phase right now. And like, I call it the purgatories, but it never really goes away. You just, when you solve one, you get to the next one. So I'm just in the leadership one right now where I need to start getting out of the way and letting my leadership team lead instead of waiting for me to make a decision.
Yeah. Nice. It's fun hearing you who have scaled multiple businesses, but now you're still back in this, but a different phase of your business and life, showing that like, no matter where you are, there's a chance to go back there, but how can we overcome or break through that and get out of our way?
It's an awareness thing, but it doesn't mean you know what the answer is, right? There's a lot of looking in the mirror and thinking. I woke up this morning, I went to the gym because that's kind of what we do and go clear our heads, right? And after I got done working out, I was like, man, I got to send my team a message. And just like an organizational, who has what accountabilities for our leadership team? Who decides when this person gets fired versus when that person gets fired? And like, who's responsible, who's in charge, who's accountable? And we didn't have all those boundaries really solidified. So I sent a note to the team and I said, here's kind of my initial thoughts. We'll talk about it more on Monday. But there is no right answer, right? There's never a right answer. It's business. There's 1,000 different ways to do it. That's why you surround yourself with good, smart people that have been there, have done it, know more than you, because making those decisions is the really hard part of scaling a business. And usually it starts by looking in the mirror. Like if there's something in your business that you don't like, go look in the mirror. Because it's your fucking business and it's your fucking problem. So like, there's only like, if you don't like it, go look in the mirror. If you don't like your recruiting, don't blame Sean. Go look in the mirror. If you don't like your VA, don't blame Angela and JC. Go look in the mirror.
Hey, home service heroes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something. And I sure as a heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.